Welcome back to Fast Track to Automation. Harnessing BrowserStack Appium with Kobiton script generation. With your BrowserStack access key in hand, it's time to prepare your development environment for running the Appium script. This lesson focuses on configuring IntelliJ by installing the Java SDK and setting up your project for TestNG. This is the lesson for Windows PC. If you are using Mac OS, reference the other video for Lesson 7. Properly setting up your environment is key to a smooth testing process. Our goal in this lesson is to configure IntelliJ on Windows PC to run our Appium script. After you installed IntelliJ and restarted your computer in Lesson 4, you will now click on IntelliJ to launch it. Click Open to locate the downloaded Appium script. This file should be in your Downloads folder or wherever you chose to save it. Navigate to the Manual subfolder within your project directory. Here, you'll find the source code in the src directory and a pom.xml quote file. Click Open on this manual folder as your project in IntelliJ. If prompted to trust the project, click Trust Project. You may also need to allow access for IntelliJ to access the folder. Click on the folder and expand your project directory structure to see the file and folders contained in your generated project. Navigate to the File menu and select Project Structure from the drop-down menu. A modal will appear displaying various project settings. Look for the SDK drop-down. Click on the SDK drop-down and select Download JDK. In the new modal, you will choose the JDK version and vendor. Select version 18 and opt for Amazon Corretto as your vendor. Then click the Download button. Once the JDK is downloaded, click OK to close the modal. In the language level drop-down, choose SDK default to use the Java defaults. Click Apply and OK to complete the JDK installation. With Java now installed, let's configure your project for TestNG. Navigate to the Run menu and select Edit Configuration from the drop-down. In the Configurations modal, click Add New on the left panel, then scroll down and select TestNG. In the configuration settings, you may rename your project. For this example, we'll name it Kobiton. Next, specify the class to run. Click on the three dots next to the class field. Choose the com.kobiton scriptless automation item from the list, which should be the only available option. If the com.kobiton scriptless automation does not automatically appear, you will need to do it manually. Click on the Project tab and choose src, then Test, then Java, then com.kobiton.scriptlessautomation, and then choose the test suite file. Then click OK. Then back in the main configuration modal, click Apply and then OK to finalize the settings. Now you're ready to integrate your API key into your Appium script in our next lesson. This integration is a critical step that connects your automated tests with Kobiton's cloud-based testing platform. Get ready to bring your Appium scripts to life by executing them on real devices. See you in the next lesson!